Hello my students, please open your workbook at page 61 here at page 61. Okay, today we are going to explain exercise 1, zero conditional. In zero conditional sentences we use the present tense, and you know what is a present tense? That the verb with s or es with singular and verb infinitive or base verb with the plural, not new. In both clauses when we are talking about truths and scientific facts, be careful that zero conditional just in scientific facts and truths, not in any sentence. Okay, now look at the example here. If temperatures drop below zero, water freezes. It means that this is a scientific fact. Temperatures drop, so below zero, so water freezes. Look here, temperature plural, and we put the verb with the infinitive, and water singular, we put the verb with s. So we use in scientific facts simple present, and this is in zero conditional. Okay, let us give another example or more examples. Food tastes bitter if you add herbs. Look here, I can change, put if here and the main clause here. It's not important, I want just the meaning. And here the sentence is in fact or truth. Food tastes bitter or truth. Food tastes bitter. Food singular, we add s with the verb here. After if you plural, so we give the verb in base. Okay, food tastes bitter if you add herbs. Also, I repeat that's zero conditional just in scientific facts, okay, and the truths. Look here, burgers take more time to cook if they are thick. You remember these examples from your lesson. Go back to the lesson here at page 68 and 69. Then pick up all the sentence with zero conditional. All the facts or scientific facts from the lesson. Like a revision, you can make revision to read the lesson again together, to focus where you can find zero conditional sentences. Okay. Let us complete. If you refrigerate burgers, they don't fall apart. You refrigerate burgers, they don't fall apart. Here, I use present in zero conditional sentences. Then, also focus that we will not never use models with many clauses. There is no will or shall or can or may with zero conditional. Just if in the first with if a clause. With many clauses, there is no models. If burgers are thin, they take less time. Scientific facts like these examples. Okay? Okay? Now be careful. Please go to exercise 1 in page 61. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Use the present simple. Why we use the present simple? Because the sentence in zero conditional. In zero conditional. And be careful that we will not use models with zero conditional with many clauses. Okay, now let us do the exercise together. Look here at the first sentence. Wood here singular. I put burns easily if you keep it dry. From where I get these verbs? From here, from this box. Look here, boys, to this box. Look here to this box. These are verbs in the present. I must put them in a suitable places here in the sentence. Now, if you heat water, look here, heat water to 100 Celsius, comma, it boils. Water freezes if the temperature drops. A rainbow appears if the sun shines. If you mix yellow paint with the blue, it becomes green. If you add salt and pepper to food, it usually tastes bitter. Okay, again, look at the verbs here in the first example. Burns, keep, heat, boils, freezes, drops, appears, shines. Here, tastes. Okay, from here you can get the verbs and put them in the spaces, in suitable spaces. You can get the meaning also from your dictionary. Okay, go to your dictionaries, my students, and get the meaning in Arabic. Okay, yes. Look at the second exercise. Write the sentences correctly. Write the sentences correctly. Here we want to reorder the sentence, to put the main clause, then to put if clause then main clause. We want to reorder the sentences. It chopped, soft, fry, oil becomes in, onion, UF. Now I want to write them in the here in my notebook to see and to write after me. The first sentence, workbook, page 61, exercise 2. Now, number 1, if you fry chopped onion in oil, it becomes soft. This is number 1. Look here, my students. Here, the main clause, then comma. Here if clause, and here the main clause. If plus subject plus verb, infinitive or base verb in simple present. Chopped onion in oil. It singular becomes with s, soft. Number 2. Look at number 2. A time burger it if cook is takes to thin less. Now it needs to reorder it. It needs to reorder it. If a burger is thin, it takes less time to cook. Yeah, right after me. If a burger is thin, it takes less time to cook. Be careful. We don't use models with main clause. No models, no will, no shall, no can, no may with main clause. Just if. This is scientific facts. This is the truths. Okay, number 3. Eggs become hard, comma, if you boil them for long time. Or for long, there is no time, for long. Okay. Eggs become hard if you boil them for long. You can revise simple present from your booklet or from your notebooks to know how we put singular with verb with s and how we put plural with verb infinitive or with base verb. Okay? Now, for look at sentence number 4. Butter melts. Butter here singular, so I add s with the verb. If you leave it in a warm room. Okay, again, if you fry chopped onion in oil, it becomes soft. If a burger is thin, it takes less time to cook. Eggs become hard if you boil them for long. Butter melts if you leave it in a warm room. That's all. Thank you very much.